Welcome to Architectural Intelligence. Today I'm using the Nano Banana AI tool, which is made by Google's to show how architects and architect students and designers can simplify their creative process. If you are looking to design smarter and faster, you're in the right place. On this channel, you will find tutorials, AI powered design tools, Revit, AutoCAD, and innovative methods to help you think and design like a pro. Whether you are an architect, student, or just someone curious about how artificial intelligence is shaping the future of architecture. So stay tuned because with Nano Banana AI tool, with my channel Architectural Intelligence, we are building smarter, faster, and more creatively than ever before. Let's get started.
This is the platform for the Google by Google AI for developers, and this is the I recent picture I made, and I will show you the new one. This is the my rendered picture from Revit by Engine Enscape, and I will change the background and the ambience, So I will add this prompt, enhance this peak, make hyper photorealistic with real time, live picture, and some more people change the background with urban city. In the city, the house is located in between the middle and blue sky. Yeah, this is the more important thing like blue sky, the clouds, some clouds. Add and as per your suggestions, I don't think this prompt like you can neglect it anyways. So the model response, it will take quite time, like not a minute 2 minutes, within the 30 second it will show it will show you the result within 20 second. Now you can see here, very beautifully made this. Behind the building there is a more buildings, and located in center, added some car, the people around the home. The AI, this AI tool like the Nano Banana, it's fantastic and very useful for the architects for post production. Here you can hear he had one man on the gallery. Here there is some quite errors in adding the people, I always experienced, but for the free version maybe I think okay. And I will add the gate. Let's see. So I don't think it will take so much time. It's a small thing. The gate. Okay. Without changing any model, like absolutely like no. It is take 20 seconds. 20 seconds, and here is the gate outside. Like he beautifully made the repetitive prompt. It will more. Beautiful. Now, after that, I will show you one more another thing, for the 3D floor plans. Here is the I take a screenshot of my PDF. I will import it in the file. Just copy paste. Now I will make the 2D plan into the 3D floor plan. Let's see how it look. I will I will give the prompt, the suitable and correct prompt. Let's see. This is the ground floor plan. We will mention it. Let's see. Make this floor plan to the 3D floor plan with perfectly and realistic look. This is the ground floor. Okay, let's see. In 22 seconds, it will show you. This is I ever seen the best Photoshop model by Google. Here it is. Here is the top plan by 3D. He made changes the little bit. The bed position. They made the bed position, and there is some error also in there. But let's see. We will make another prompt, and it will correct it. Now, by repetitive prompt, you will get the almost correct the the thing that whatever you want. I will make a prompt like what I actually problematic. Don't overlap plan, just make 3D perspective floor plan with 45 angle view. Look all. Okay. Look all things. Let's see now. Within there is a minor errors. Let's see in new. There is a two position. Okay. Now you can see this is the best thing I actually saw I ever like. It's like he just made the walls. I will give you another prompt. Make this from another angle. Increase the height up to lintel level. table 7 feet. I don't think it's work, but I'm just testing it for the. But it is very beautiful for the 3D views, like for the the perspective views of exterior building, and as well as the interior. There is minor changes on wall, something you want to replace, and for the exterior just make the model, and just change everything like the sky, the trees, the background, and everything that you ever wanted to change you can. And it was very simplified, and outstanding result you will get by Nano Banana AI tool by the Google. So I'm making, let's see, actually I'm just testing and giving big prompt, but let's see. Make this from another view and increase height up to 6 feet. Some garden to gallery beside dining. Add some flowers pots in the galleries to all bedroom. I want to some kitchen hall, and make design the floor to all bathrooms. Design the floor tiles to all bedroom with different style. Make the modern architect look. Let's see. Yeah, I gave this prompt, but it's look good, but I don't for the walls, for the toilets, bathroom. It's not kind of for the kitchen slab. Here also he changes the bed direction as well as I don't think, because I place actually the bed as per aspect, the direction south head. So this is the staircase I don't think, but it's quite good actually for the presentation. It will simplify, like this is the prompt I like actually, the simple one, and look good. The sofa, the table is like look big, sofa table, and there is option of rerun if you want to change, and it will be rerun your prompt, and it will make corrections. Let's see how it's work. Within 30 seconds, maybe. Yeah, model respond. Yeah, this is now looking good actually. The bed direction in a right position, and they made the TV, the entrance lobby, the kitchen slab, changes the bed, simple flower pots for a better understanding to the client actually. Okay, let's look now nice. The toilet area. I like it one actually, like the simplest one without any colors. This one. Yeah, the kitchen, the hall, the breakfast tables. Actually, Nano Banana made very good. Okay, now I rerun it. You can see the different tiles and in hall, kitchen, the passage. It will be the different different texture. I don't like it. Let's see. Uh, the simple one. I impressed. Let's rerun this and add one bed direction is not correct. So actually, my original plan, the bed direction is not like that, but I just want to change that in right position. So I will giving the prompt, but whenever you giving the prompt, just understand, just type carefully. Like AI need to know what you are typing and what you are wanted to do. So whenever you giving the prompt, it should be very accurate and correct. So now I am giving the prompt, but let's see, rerun this and there are bed direction not correct. Left top one which have attached a wardrobe. Now what I made a mistake here. Top left corner, I got the direction of I got the bedroom. He know where. Now what I made a mistake. I typed beside the which attached the wardrobe. So now the AI wanted to add wardrobe in the bedroom. Actually, wardrobe is already there. Now you can see here in beside the sliding door. It changed, but I will rerun it and let's see. But the wrong prompt. It is happen. They made the toilet there. So this is the Nano Banana technology, like the AI tool by Google. It is very outstanding, and you should to use and very highly recommend for the Photoshop editing for the 3D models, and you can make the 3D floor plans like this. It is very beautiful and for the client presentation, and it will save your times and save your life as well. Thank you for watching, and let's connect with architectural intelligence.